So it's COVID season, which means you are going to be staying at home, right? Which means that you're not gonna be going out much, right? Which means you're not gonna be like putting a lot of makeup and like all that, right? So let me tell you, now it's the best time for you to restart your skin and give your skin a reset button back to factory settings, okay? Hi everybody, welcome to me in my pajamas right here. If you feel like your skincare products are just not working anymore, no matter what you use, you have to watch this video because today I'm gonna teach you how to reset your skin. Sometimes you might feel like no matter what product you use, no matter how effective or how expensive it is and what it claims to do, it doesn't seem to make your skin look better. This is because your skin has gotten used to these products, and basically what you have been doing is just feeding too much nutrients and too much stuff into your skin that it just stops absorbing stuff. Today I'll be sharing how to do a skin detox. So I found this trick online and this has really worked very well for me. So whenever my products start to feel useless, which generally happens like twice in a year, sometimes once in a year, I will try to do this routine for you, and it just consists of 3 products. So your first step is to stop all your products. Stop all your skincare products, your serums, your essence, your toners, your whatever, stop them all. Stop all. So the next thing would be your morning routine. Okay, it's not really a routine because it's like so damn easy, but yeah. In the morning, just wake up, brush your teeth, and cleanse your face. Cleanse your face with a very gentle cleanser that is non-foaming. So this is the cleanser that I use all the time, okay? Even when I'm not on detox, this is what I use. This is the Purity by Philosophy. This is great, okay? This is super gentle. After using this, you don't feel like your skin is like ripped of moisture. So this cleanser right here is a 3-in-1. It removes makeup, it cleanses your face, and it tones your face at the same time. This is the one that I've been using like for the longest time, and I can't explain to you how much this has changed my face. This has balanced my face so well. So I highly recommend this. So your second step is to put a mist on your face. This acts as a moisturizer, and this also helps your skin absorb all the water in. You can either use organic pure hydrosol like rose hydrosol or whatever, lavender hydrosol, whatever, as long as it's pure. Alternatively, you can try to use the thermal water mist. So those that come in like super huge bottle and you just spray it and then people put it at the office table. Yeah, you can use those as well. So what you want to do is just spray generous amount on your face and leave it. So now onward to your last step, okay? Your last step is the most important step in the morning, which is to protect your face from your UV rays, okay? So if you haven't seen my video on how to choose sunscreen, you can find that video here. It's very detailed, it's very specific, and I tell you exactly what are the things that you need to look out for when you are shopping for sunblock. Go right now. Because you're not going to be using any other product that has SPF, you need your sunblock to be good. So I'm going to be using this one, which I have shared in my sunblock video as well. This has SPF 50 plus and PA++++. This is also a mist bottle, which makes it very convenient and easy to use. I just like it because I'm a lazy bitch. I like things that are really easy. Yeah, spray a generous amount across your face, and then you're ready to start the day. So your night routine is even simpler. So just cut that 3 steps into 2 steps. Your first step would be when you're bathing, cleanse your face with your gel cleanser once again. Feel free to use a cleansing device if you need to. So what your cleansing does for you is just remove the SPF, remove the sunblock, and at the same time, just clean your face of all the extra oils that you've been producing across the day. Right before you sleep, another round of misting. So just mist your face one last round, generous amount, and go to sleep. So that is basically your daily routine. One more thing that you need to do out of all these products is you have to drink a lot of water. So during this period, I make sure that I drink 2 liters every day. I have like a 1 liter bottle that I just refill twice. Then I just make sure that I drink all of that. I pee more, but that's fine because by drinking so much water, you are clearing your face and your skin out of all the toxins that has already been stuck inside. So make sure to drink 2 liters of water every single day during this period. So how long do you need to do this for? So the last time I did it for 1 week, and after that 1 week when I start putting all my serums and stuff again, you can literally see visible results. Okay, for example, if you are using moisturizing serums and moisturizing essences, the next morning you're definitely gonna see a different face altogether compared to just using that mist that you just did. So if you want to restart your face and give yourself a reset so that you can start using expensive products and make your money's worth, like for example, if you want to use SK2 facial treatment essence and you want it to work very effectively, try this method, okay? So by doing this routine, it helps your skin regulate itself without all the products, and it helps your skin to get used to the new norm, which is nothing. And then when you start adding products again, it will help your skin to learn how to absorb these things again. So this is how resetting your skin works. I hope that this has been really helpful, everybody. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!